Good morning everyone. Welcome to AbhiResh Tales. Today we are going to talk about few of the accessories which I had actually installed in my car. Currently I am outskirts near to a field and you can see the greenery outside. It's very nice to look into it. Look how greenery it is. Let's talk about the accessories now. So you can see like I had already installed few of the accessories in my Grand Vitara which is 3 years old. We are going to divide this video into two parts where first part we will cover all the accessories which are installed from the Nexa service center, and in the second part we are going to install all the accessories which are third party or installed by myself. So let's discuss the first part where we are going to discuss all the accessories which were installed from the Nexa service center. As you can see, we are outside, and the first accessories which we installed from the Nexa service center is the number plate frame, so which is having two part, the first front one and the back side one. The second one is the mud flap. Sorry, it's little dirty, but yeah, you understand the gist. It is consists of four parts for all the four wheels. The third one is the skid plate. So you can see this is a chrome one. It looks good in my car, so I had installed this. Next one is the floor mat for the back side. It is very good quality one comparing to the other accessories which I had purchased from the Nexa. Next we will go inside to see the next. So as you can see, we are inside, and the next accessories which we installed is the door floor mat. This is the third party one. The Nexa one I actually replaced it because it's little slippery, so it can be very difficult getting in and out. You may get hurt while getting in and out, so it's better I replaced with the new one. The next one I had installed is this sunshades, which are like 6 pieces for all the doors. The two panels in the back side, right and left, two doors from the back side, right and left, and the front side and the right side one for the front passengers. So total 6 pieces. It is also good quality, but you can see the quality has already been degraded, and how many times you will going to replace it, it will get effect. And I think nowadays traffic police is giving challan also for the same, so I mostly remove it. The other accessories which I had actually purchased from the Nexa one is the cover, the body cover. This is a whitish one, so it is very hard to maintain and it gets dirty very frequently. It's very good for the dust. Since we had covered all the accessories from the Nexa service center, let's deep dive into the other accessories which I installed from the third party. So we are currently outside, and if you can see, the first accessories which I installed is these fog lamps from MaxLink. These are like projector lamps, so which is good. The other one is this camera. This is a 360 camera one, the front facing one. Let's move to the side. If you see, it is already installed here as well on the mirrors. 360 camera left side one, and of course this is the important one. Otherwise people will get diesel instead of petrol sometimes, so it's better to use that one. The other one I had actually used is this one, the chrome I don't know what is this called, but it's good one. This one, the door visor, this is a must have accessories, because normally during the rainy season and all, it is much helpful. I will tell about the details later, but yeah. The other one is a roof rail. This is normally in like a grayish color, but I had actually put it in a black color. It's much helpful. It looks better. The next one is the back bumper. This is also a third party one, and the 360 camera which I had actually installed from the same. The next one is the alloy wheels. You can see the look with the alloy wheels and the dark shade which is present. Look how beautiful it looks. And the calipers are also red painted, but the paint has already gone. Wear tears are there at many places, so we have to actually repaint it again. But yeah, these are the accessories which I had actually installed from outside as a third party, which are present exterior for the exterior one. Let's go inside to see the next accessories. So we are currently inside, and we had already showcased the 3D mat which I had already installed. This is also a third party one. No seat covers I had actually installed because it seems like the fabric is good, so we used to use the same one. The other big accessories in my purchase list was this infotainment system. This is 8 GB one, and I think it's like 512 GB of memory space also present with this. With this I had also installed the Audition speakers. With this is a tweeter speaker are present in all the 4 doors. So in the back side also this is a different one. I think it's 161 in the front and 130 in the back, 135 in the back. So this is also a good purchase. The another one which I purchased is this knob. This was present in my old car, so I just removed it from there and put it here. But sometimes it is a little difficult to actually use it, and many people used to suggest like this is like very dangerous as well at some point of time. The next accessories I had actually put is the dash cam. So this is a dash cam, Next Digitron dash cam, front and back. And the other accessories, this one is the GoPro one, the camera mount which I actually put for my GoPro to be installed. The next accessories which I had actually used is this one. This is a kind of switch which has like 8 different switches that is reconfigurable at any point of time. And this is the purpose of using this one is to avoid the battery drainage. I have also upgraded this light. This was yellowish in nature, but I had actually changed it into white color. It is pretty nice. The other accessories which I had actually installed is these trims. I don't recall what is this called, but yeah, I can show a case how it looks. Let me turn on the ignition. So you can see this is off right now, so I have to turn it on from here. So you can see this is the effect which it used to have it. We can also adjust this thing using the app itself, or otherwise you can actually use these switches to actually do that. Oh, I forgot about this one. I also had this accessories, air freshener. This was present in my old car, so I just used it again. This is still been like halfly used, and it has a good fragrance as well. It is always at my place, at my car always. The other thing I had installed is this one. This is actually a very good one. I purchased it from the Guruvayur. And we also have this one, 2 add-ons which are from my old car which I had installed here. Oh, I forgot. It also has a TPMS installed with my car. So you just have to go back and open the TPMS. And the TPMS is already installed from the USB system which is present here. And it also has the 360 camera which I will show you here. So you can see the clarity is nice, and it has also a recording which is directly added in this pen drive. The other thing I had installed is this cigarette lighter. This is an extension of cigarette lighter because I needed extra power to actually do that. It has 3 cigarette lighter ports, and 2 USB ports, fast charging USB ports. This is the mic I had actually installed with the wires because I wanted directly connection for the audio as well to my GoPro, so I just use this one. And the other accessories which I had used is this seat. This is a ventilated seat. It has a fan beside here, so if I increase the speed, the fan will start rotating very quickly. So this is the fan which is already installed with the same, and it's very nice to have it. As a South Indian, I usually get too much sweat, so this is much comfortable and for a long drive.